So MagicPost is another AI tool for creating content. I did try this one. I created a post, optimizing your blog post for search engines. I have no idea if I copied this or what I did with this information, but let's just leave it for now. So let's have a look at this post that I created. Now I noticed that if you click on the LinkedIn symbol or logo, you can actually post it directly to your LinkedIn. However, I'm not going to do this, but it looks like you could connect your LinkedIn profile to MagicPost. You can just log into LinkedIn and then you're connected. And then it seems like when you created a post, you can actually just publish it on LinkedIn directly from here, which is great. There's also different views. You can see it. You can view it as though someone were going to be viewing the post on a mobile device or on a desktop. Not sure what this means. See more. Oh, I see. If you want the see more link. You can add images anywhere you want. Click the image. However, it's an image that you have to have on your computer, it seems. And it looks like you can schedule posts as well once you're connected to your LinkedIn. In any case, this is really quite interesting. I do like it. Now, how does it work?